We are making some Spanish meatballs today. For the meatball, we'll start by dicing up some day bread and soak them in milk for about 30 minutes. Next, we'll chop up some parsley. I like to pat my parsley dry before chopping it. It's much easier this way. Most of the parsley are going into the meatball, and I'll leave some for garnishing at the end. Mince a clove of garlic. For these meatballs, I'm using 200 grams of beef and 200 grams of pork. Squeeze the milk out of the bread and add them into the meat. Add in the chopped parsley and the garlic. Also 1 whole egg for binding and moisture. Season with salt and pepper. And mix very thoroughly with your hand. Form the meatballs and coat them lightly with flour. On a pan with oil on medium-high heat, sear your meatballs until most of the sides are golden brown. Onto the sauce, we are mincing up some garlic, dicing up some onions and carrots as the base. Cut the tomatoes horizontally and grate it using the larger holes on your grater. Put some oil in the pan on medium heat and sweat the garlic, onions, and carrots. Once the veggies are soft, turn up the heat to give it some color. And once they're almost caramelized, add in some sweet Spanish paprika. Saute a little bit and add in the grated tomatoes. Now we want to cook and reduce the tomatoes until it has a jammy consistency. Add in some beef stock, bring it to boil and reduce. Finish the sauce by blending it and seasoning it with salt. And finish cooking the meatballs inside the sauce. Boil some potatoes in salted water and cut them into small cubes. Fry the potatoes with a layer of vegetable oil until they are brown and crispy. Put them on kitchen paper to dry up some oil and season with salt.